In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a form using Microsoft Excel. The form feature can make data entry much easier, much more pleasant, not quite as tedious or error-prone, whether you're starting from scratch or like here where we're going to add some fields to data that already exists. There's a couple things we have to do that might be unfamiliar to you, but they're easy. So let me show you those two things first. The first thing you have to know is how to put the form menu or the form maker on the menu. See, it doesn't come with it automatically. We showed in a different video, and so that's why it's already here on my menu. But I'll show you another way to do it. In case you didn't watch our other video, you click on the Quick Access menu, the toolbar, and go to More Commands. This lets you add things to the Quick Access toolbar. You're looking for Forms. It may not be popular, so let's just take commands that are not in the ribbon. And they're alphabetical order. Those are the ones there that are, see, they're already on my Quick Access toolbar. And I'm looking for Form. There it is. And just add it. And OK. So now we've got the form maker on the Quick Access toolbar. We already had it in the menu because I put it in a different video. They're the same. You can use either one. Doesn't matter. Okay. The other thing you need to know is how to make a table. Just click anywhere in your data and then go click on Insert Table. It selects your area for you. We do have headers. When you say OK, it turns it into a table. You have to have your data in a table to use the form maker. And now that we have a table, just click on Form, and it takes your data and it gives you a form that you can enter the data into. The data you've already entered will be there. If you're starting from scratch, you can do your data initially like this. So let's enter some data. So we'll put a date in for the planning meeting, and then you tab, takes you to the next field, and hit enter on your keyboard, and it goes into the spreadsheet and takes you to the next entry. We'll put some data in for this. The planning meeting. Did a parent attend? Yes. Hit enter on your keyboard. Takes you to see where it says 3 of 44 up there. So then you put this data in and just keep going. And this is a lot easier for some people than actually working in the spreadsheet. If you want to add a new record, just click right there on New. And then you could fill in all the fields. And I'm naming the student 45. This is all completely fake data. So you can put it in. And see, this is for some people so much easier than typing into a spreadsheet. A grade, let's give her a 99. Planning meeting. I'm pretending like you're a school counselor. And the parent attended, yes. And now when you hit enter, see, it made 45 of 45. Now this added this data to the bottom. So close that and we can scroll down. And you see, you've got another row of data. Now let's say you want to find a certain student. You click on criteria and then type in the student ID or the student name, something unique. Let's look for student 12 and then hit enter. That student's data then will populate these fields and you can enter the data for that student. And when you hit enter on your keyboard, it will populate the student who you just added data to. So let me show you another handy little trick you can use these forms for. Click on criteria, and let's say you've got data to update everybody who took algebra. Well, if you click on criteria and then write algebra in there, and then find next, it's just going to flip through all the kids who had algebra. See how the course is staying algebra? So this, if you've just got data to update those kids, this is a handy little feature. So I hope you found this useful, and I hope you'll give it a try.